Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited to show you what we have in store. I'm here at a beautiful custom built home by Craft Custom Homes in Malvern, PA. It is absolutely gorgeous. Malvern, which is one of, if arguably the most luxurious community in the Philadelphia area and all of Pennsylvania. It's been around since 1873. It's when the community officially got its name. And guys, I mean, this home, can't see much of it right now, but in a few minutes, you're going to be blown away. Your socks are going to be knocked off. And stay tuned to the end because we have a special message for you. I'm super stoked. Let's get into this. Okay, we're here at 1000 Yellow Springs Road in Malvern, PA. This is a unique, one-of-a-kind home built by Craft Custom Homes. Once it's sold, there's not going to be another one just like it. And this home is grandiose. It is well over 5,000 square feet with 5 beds, 5 bathrooms, priced at just over $1.7 million. Now, this home is spectacular, and it is the perfect family home with features for you and your family and friends to enjoy. What I'm talking about is perfectly exemplified with the great room on the first floor, which starts with a wide open, masterly finished kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances that leads right into a homely and welcoming living room and dining room with a magnificent warm fireplace right in the middle. It's the perfect place for you and your family to sit and enjoy each other's company after a well-cooked home meal. And if you're the type of person who likes to entertain, then look no further than the deck that juts off right out of the great room. It's finished in stone with a gargantuan wood fireplace. It's the perfect place to warm yourselves by the fire and have a wonderful conversation with friends and family. This home is really top of the line and so unique. I haven't seen another home like it, and I think it will be the perfect family home for you and your family, and I really hope you guys enjoy the tour. Okay, everybody, that was the tour. Jeez Louise, I mean, this home is beautiful. It's gorgeous. You can see just every little detail that they put into it, all the love and time and effort. This home offers you everything. Again, this is built by Craft Custom Homes, and just like any of the homes they build, there's never going to be another one quite like this. So if you are interested in making this home yours, reach out to me and I will help you with that process and with negotiating with the builder. I'll utilize the relationships that I have with not only Craft, but other builders and agents throughout the greater Philadelphia area to get you the home that you dream of. Or if you are interested in buying or selling anywhere or anything in the greater Philadelphia area, don't be a stranger. Reach out to me, send me a text, a call, give me a call, and I'm here to help you with whatever your real estate goals are. Or if you just like seeing home tours like this, subscribe to the channel. We're coming at you every single week with home tours from townhomes to mansions and anything in between in the greater Philadelphia area. Really, guys, if you do enjoy tours like this, stick around. Go check out the other videos on the channel. And that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed filming this. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. I'll be coming to you shortly. Bye-bye.